Turning things off. Mastering the phrasal verb, switch off. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the exciting world of phrasal verbs, specifically focusing on a common one. Switch off. If you've ever wondered how to use it, when to use it, or what it means in different contexts, you're in the right place. Switch off is a common phrasal verb in English. A phrasal verb is a verb that is made up of a main verb together with an adverb or a preposition, or both. In our case, switch is the main verb, and off is the preposition. Switch off generally means to turn something off, especially by hitting a switch or button. For example, could you switch off the lights before you leave the room? Let's look at some common sentences using our phrasal verb, switch off. 1. I switched off the TV and went to bed. 2. Don't forget to switch off your computer after use. 3. She switched off the radio when her favorite song ended. Each of these examples shows the act of turning off some electronic device or appliance. Besides its literal meaning, switch off can also be used informally to mean to stop listening, stop paying attention, or to relax and stop thinking about work, problems, etc. Here are a few examples. 1. After a long day at work, I just need to switch off and relax. 2. He completely switches off when the topic of politics comes up. 3. During the lecture, many students seem to switch off and stop paying attention. Remember, context is key to understanding when switch off is being used in this informal way. Now it's time for a little practice. Try to make your own sentences using the phrasal verb, switch off, in both its literal and informal meanings. Remember, practice is the key to mastery. We hope this video has shed some light on how to use the phrasal verb, switch off, correctly. Remember, it can be used literally to mean turning something off, and figuratively to mean stop paying attention or relaxing. Don't forget to practice making sentences with switch off. That's all for today, and we hope to see you in the next video. Keep learning and keep practicing.